Press star key and pound key. Verify administrator. The default administrator password is 123456. Press 1. Add users. 1. Add administrator. 2. Add user must add an administrator first. Press 1. Add administrator. 1. Add fingerprint. 2. Add card. 3. Add password. 4. Add face. 5. Add PLAM. Press 1. Add fingerprint. Follow the prompt to record the fingerprint 5 times consecutively. Add successfully. Press 2. Add card. Place the card on the icon recognition area. Press 3. Add password. Please enter the password twice for confirmation. Add successfully. Press 4. Add face. Add facial information and ensure the face is within the camera range. Add successfully. Press 5. Add PLAM. Add palm vein information and make sure it is within the camera range. Press the to return. Press to add user. After adding an administrator, you can add user information. The addition and deletion methods are the same as those in administrator settings. Press the to return. Press 3. Query records. Press the to return. Press to delete users. 1. Delete group. 2. Delete index. Select the deletion method that suits your needs. Press the to return. Press 3. System setting. 1. Modo setting. 2. Time setting. 3. Language setting. 4. Volume setting. 5. Unlocking mode. 6. Motion detection. 7. Networking setting. 8. Tamper-proof settings. 9. Factory reset. Press 1. Modo setting. 1. Direction setting. 2. Force setting. 3. Rotation angle. 4. Latch bolt dwell time. 5. Auto lock time. Press 1. Direction setting to switch the direction. To return, press the to return. Press to time setting. Configure the time based on the current real time. Press the to return. Press 3. Language setting. 1. Chinese. 2. English. Press the to return. Press 4. Adjust the volume. Press 7. Networking setting. 1. Hotspot network. 2. Delete network. Download Tuya from the App Store on your phone. And then open the app. Devices to be added. 1. Make sure your phone and the device are on the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Press and hold to unlock. Video surveillance. Temporary password.